Thanks for joining us. My name is Lou Gett with Eyes On Construction Services. Today we're with Newfield Construction and it's June 14th, 2017. We're going to be taking you through the progress to date on the Vertical Church interior renovation project. All right, let's enter and look at the progress to date. So I understand we're pretty much 90% complete at this time, even further than that. They're into the finish mode in here. This wall, this is the new wall, the sanctuary on the other side. This whole new look. So the main focus on the project was to redo this concourse area so that the first impression is going to be new, vibrant space. And as you walk in here, one of the first things that people will see is this new cafe over here. We'll take a quick peek at this cafe over in here. This will be a great entrance to the space. We'll serve food in through here, coffee, things like that. Be a lounge. There's a gathering space where people will be able to sit, talk, communicate, and then grab a bite to eat. There's be another lounge over here. So this wall, we're looking up to the soffit area over here. This was the line. This was the mark of the old wall with the sanctuary on the other side. So there'll be another coffee area over in here. And again, community-based space. This will finish really nicely. People will be able to gather in this lounge. The fellows are just putting down the final touches on the carpet here. It's kind of a unique plank-shaped tile carpet in here. Great color palette that goes in through here. Got some light grays and some darker grays. Really, really a nice space. So this whole area has changed through here. Newfield's done a marvelous job in through here. We'll go into the bathrooms. The bathrooms are completely remodeled and updated. But I want to take a minute and show you this one space. Will be the first impression in through here. There'll be the welcome center, the reception area in down there. There'll be the child desk down further. We'll show you that in just a sec. So actually, what a great group of finishes in here, because the tile is a plank, very similar to the carpet tile that's a plank. So they're both kind of linear in direction, in the same family of colors. Very nice. We're going to take you a quick peek into the men's room. This space, the original building I understand was built in 2000, an outdated bathroom. What a marvelous look in here. And the woman's room is very similar. So a brand new modern facility, yet with a with a wood vanity in here. What a nice touch with that. Beautiful finishes in here. Very nice job. The partitions have a little beaded finish to them in here, a little like a hammered look on them. They're all raised from the ceiling, mounted from the ceiling as you see up in here. And a plank tile on the wall. Very nice. Very modern, very clean lines in through here. So as we go down through the commons area, it's good to talk about a little bit how the sequence goes here. The finishes have stopped in through here. A few changes that had to be incorporated. We can see the lift over here in order to be able to get the lift on. So they left the existing carpet in place. But what a marvelous space over through here. We're going to take you to the welcome center over through here. This wall right in through here was existing at one time. There was a corridor that went down in through here. And now this space is opened, wide open. Beautiful soffit in front of the welcome center. Let's take a little peek at the skylights that they're working on right now. So I understand there was tons of light, actually too much light that came from these skylights originally. They've done some framing in here. They're going to put a lens up in through here to be able to shade, cut the natural lighting down in through here so it's not quite so dramatic. That's what you see what's going on in through here. And I understand, so these are the main doors that enter into the sanctuary, and this was a little bit of a change in through here. But what a nice look, brand new. Some LCD screens up in through here. Right in through here, brand new onto the project. Let's take a minute and get a little up-close view on the welcome center over here. Pretty unique lighting over the top. And again, what a great themed pattern, color palette in through here. So for the parishioners, this is all accessible. Information, this will be manned all the time. What a really nice space. Again, LCD screens with information over the top. Wonderful seating area on the lounge in through here. Very nice. Okay, we're continuing down the common area here. This will be the child check-in center over here. So again, coming right into the space, completely accessible and modern. So I understand that the children will have identification devices so that their whereabouts are known at all the time. It'll be very simple. They'll be able to come in here, check into the desk, and their space will be back through the doors. Hard not to tell that that's the kids' space with those marvelous doors, a little ocean type vessel with the look bubbles through the window as you're underwater into the child center in through here. It's worth noting the artwork over the child check-in center was done in-house. So what a great way to showcase people in the community, people part of the parish, the work, the detail work in that. Really nice. Fits right in the center of the soffit. It's almost as if the soffit was built specifically for that piece. As we continue on, we're looking at the chapel, the old chapel, which really looks like the new chapel right now, back before the renovation project started. So this wall was complete to the ground right over here. There was a set of doors that separated the area in here. Well, there's no separation anymore. This is the baptism platform. Will still be used the same. There's some new finishes coming in over the top, new lighting, new ceiling. All the finishes in this area are new. Again, LCD screens up on the wall for information. And this area will also, now that it's in the open, will be used as a gathering space. It will not be closed off. So instead of being used once in a while, it's now incorporated into this space right in through here. Really marvelous. We can see the morning light that comes through the windows right in through here. And the baptismal pool is actually below, right in through there. You can basically see it is as it was beforehand. The the plywood covers come off of the top through here. Very nice. All right, we'll take a different look. We'll look back to the west now through the child check-in area. We're just coming back out of the chapel. We had a nice view in through here. And again, to the west and to the east, there's lounge areas. This is called the Fireside Lounge area. And again, it's a community area, so people have a chance. They don't have to run right out. They can stay. And that's what it's all about. Talking, sharing, with the people that you're involved with into the church. What a wonderful look. We can see the masons are working on the stone facade on the fireplace, the gas fireplace in through here. So this whole space was originally the sanctuary. The wall, before the project started, came right across through here. So really, again, wonderful space, community space, opened. Doors. We're going to enter into the main sanctuary here. What a wonderful add. Little columns, east and west, with a soffit over the top. Very nice space. This will be the entrance from the gathering space in through here. We'll take a quick peek. All right, we're entering into the sanctuary here, and we'll explain the progress of construction. So we just left the Fireside Lounge. There's the new wall back in this space right in here. A little different on the color palette. That really is nice, kind of a great showing of the wall in there. So that is on the east entrance, and the same thing on the west entrance. This is the west entrance over here, the first lounge that earlier in the video that we took you in. So seats had to be removed. 300 plus or minus. I understand there's 1,000 plus or minus seats in the space right in through here. The ceiling stayed the same. I understand there was an alternate recently accepted to revamp the platform, the altar up in here, and that work is going to begin. So this altar, this platform, never to be seen in this shape again. So I understand the stairs are actually going to move out this way here, and there'll be some theatrical lighting installed, recessed into that this new section of platform in here. There'll be accessible stairs now on both the east and the west entrance over in through here. Be a great spot to capture the finishes later on through here. So we have a wonderful opportunity to thank the two key men from Newfield Builders, Bill Johnson, the superintendent, Al Howard, the project manager. Thank you fellas for a wonderful job.